Good morning. This is Steve here. I'm gonna go on a road trip this morning. I got an old truck that I like to share, and I like to do something with it. So give me some comments on what you think I should do with it, but I'm just gonna show you where it's at and what it looks like. I'll see you then. Well, I made it here. Now we go ahead and take a look at this truck. I turned the camera around, and this is a truck. Let's see if I can find a better way to get through here. It's been sitting here for a long time. There it is, sitting in the wild. An old Ford truck. I like to get this thing running. What we have here is an old truck that's been parked for a long time, you can see. It ran, let me walk through here before I fall down on all this junk around here. Yeah, this truck ran and was parked here for a good, I want to say a good 15 to 20 years. Trees are starting to grow around it, and it looked like it just forgot about it. I want to get it out of here and bring it back to life. I don't know how hard it would try to put a set of batteries and put some fresh gas in it. Maybe it'll start, but easier said than done. Trying to get a good angle. I would show you this truck, what it looks like. It's an old road tractor. There's the fifth wheel, single axle. All the glass in it. This one here is cracked on the driver's side. But I think everything here is intact. I don't know what size model it is, but this is the name of the company. The people used to once owned it. I'll see if I can get this door open. Got this tree in the way here. Cobwebs going in there. Cab looks overall in good condition. Old Shasta soda can. Here's the numbers. Inspection plate. This is how we moved it when we brought it home. Set it in place, put a gallon plastic jar there, bottle there, and ran it off the truck. So it was running. I don't know how the brakes worked or anything else. Everything else around here is the overall cab. I don't see any major dents or anything. Looks good. I don't think this will be much of a task to get it running. Just getting it out of here. Has air brakes in it, gas motor. fifth wheel here. Looks like I got some wood there. Oh, 5-speed. Look like I had a 2-speed rear. Here's a 2-speed. Look like it has about 835,870. Looks like it has 83,587 miles. Overall cab, it's not, looks like it's not in bad shape. Battery down there. I believe this Ford is an F800, probably around, say, a 1965, maybe, 68. I think this is a perfect candidate to work on. I want to see if I can open the hood. Boy, this came up real easy. I don't know how long that flap stayed open. It could be an issue. There's the air compressor for the brakes. Overall, it's in pretty decent shape, just for sitting around like this. Now it won't close. There you go. Well, there it is. I guess my next step is clear everything around here, get the junk out of the way, cut some trees down, make a path and get it out of here. I might try to get it running just sitting there. I'd like to go ahead and maybe get it home. I don't know how much I'm going to do with it, but I might take it to some shows. But I like these old trucks. And right next to it, it's a GMC General. I believe it was a 1985, and it's missing the engine and the hood. But this is the candidate right here. This is what I want to do something with. I'd like to hear from you what I should do with this. So let me know. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. I like this old truck. I just like trucks, period. And I think I'm gonna be able, hopefully I can get this thing running and drive it out of here. If not, I'll just drag it out of here, load it up on the trailer and take it home. But I like it.